My name's Noah. I'm in the nursing program, right? ADN, I believe it is. So as far as for like why I chose Galen, because working as a CNA, you get to see a lot of real patient experience, but you're not hands-on as much, right? If there is something going down, you're always like the runner or you're writing down notes. But being in that patient simulator lab, it's on you now. So it gets quite intense. Really learned a lot though. It was really, really beneficial, and I think it'll help me become a better nurse. I don't know. I feel like that has benefited. I feel like our cohort that we have is super tight knit, and we're all friends with each other. And, even if we all are very different from each other, we're all standing up for each other and everything.